Okay, America, here we are again. We got lucky and got a decent paying load coming out of Florida, picking up a generator with radiator,
Big
engine.
mumba jumba.
Anyway, wide load. It's only
2 inches or so.
it's less than 9 feet wide, 13.8 tall total. But anyway, I broke my drone. Had it 2 days, broke it already. FYI,
It was too windy.
FYI, don't fly it into trees. So anyway, it is what it is. It's a learning experience. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the video, and let me know what you think of my stupidity on breaking the drone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Alright guys, we got loaded. We are out here on the road. We got to tarp the engine and the electronics on this thing, but I'm just going to show you the securement. There's really not a good way to do this. So I put a chain around this, pulling forward. I put a chain around this, inside, back to here, pulling backwards. And then I hooked a chain there, pulling forwards. And then I hooked a chain here, pulling backwards. I did the exact same thing on the other side. So I'm not sure what it weighs. They're saying around 40. So, and we're like an inch wide. Look at that. I mean, just barely. We're not perfectly straight, but we couldn't be with my shelf thing. We had to get all the way up against it. But anyway, same thing there. Exact same thing here. So, guys, when you're doing big stuff like this, sometimes you just got to find whatever will hold. I could have taken the link off and came through here, either one of these, and pulled forward, back, and all that. But it says don't lift there. I know it would hold it to secure it, but I prefer to go to a base of something. So anyway, now we got a tarp. We got to tarp the engine and the electronics. So I'll show you the finished product. All right guys, we got the tarp on. It's the best we can do. That's the best I'm gonna do. It's not beautiful, but I can't fully enclose it because of the water pipes right there. So that's as good as it's gonna get. Anyway, this is going to Indiana. Should deliver Thursday, I think. Today's Tuesday, but I don't have permits yet. So, look at that tree over there, y'all. Isn't that cool looking tree? I think it's a cool looking tree. Anyway, sometimes you gotta quit working and just look at your surroundings. Anyway, that's what it is. That's what we got. That's what we're doing. So, appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all out here on the road. going from here to the yard. Y'all have probably already seen shorts about what we're doing next, but $1.1 million record to get us unloaded this morning.
It's a beautiful record.
Pretty. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe.